Hello and welcome to another CARSTAR video. Today we will be showing you how to remove a Citroen C4 heater blower motor, and this should be the same for all models from 2005 to 2011. And let's get into our main tutorial. To remove our blower motor, we will need to remove the glove box, and this is because it will give us access to the blower motor and make it much easier, especially when the glove boxes are easy to remove. But we do that by removing firstly these clips at the bottom of the glove box, which has this holds this cover in place, and underneath this cover there will be T20 Torx screws, two of them, which you will see shortly. And what we're going to do is we're going to remove the glove box completely, which doesn't take too long, and then we will have access to our blower motor. Now over here we'll remove these screws, as you can see, one on the left, one on the right, and there should be ones on the top part of the glove box. We remove these ones. It's very easy to remove the glove box on these vehicles, and putting it on shouldn't be too difficult as well. These were all T20 Torx screws. You don't need too many of these, too many different tools. It's just getting these off, and this takes roughly about 5 minutes to remove the glove box completely. Make sure you've removed all the screws so you don't damage your glove box. Now these are the screws at the bottom of the glove box that were behind the cover that we removed earlier. Once all the screws are removed, the only thing that's left to detach is the light that's inside the glove box. And we're going to do that by just putting a flathead screwdriver to the side of it, and you don't even have to unplug the light. You'll see now. And just like so, our glove box is completely out, and we have access to our blower motor, which is right there. To unplug it, on either side you need to press it, which you will see me do shortly. You press it and then pull the plug out. It's very easy to do. Now with this blower motor, all I had to do was literally turn it anti-clockwise or to the left and just wriggle it out. You might be stuck there, but don't force it out, but just wriggle it out, and that's how you remove your blower motor. If you're going to put your blower motor back on, do so, and don't attach your glove box yet to make sure it is working. And then once you see that it works, then put your glove box back on, just the same way we took it out. This is our motor. As you can see, it didn't have any screws. Your one might, but this one didn't require it. As always, I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have any special requests, please let us know in the comments below. Like and subscribe, and we will see you in our upcoming videos.